Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bitcoin cold storage wallets. Cold storage is a crucial security measure for your digital assets. It means keeping your Bitcoin's private keys completely offline, away from internet-connected devices. This method offers superior protection against online hacking attempts and malware. By understanding and implementing cold storage, you can significantly enhance the security of your valuable Bitcoin holdings, ensuring peace of mind for your investments. There are several effective ways to implement cold storage for your Bitcoin. Hardware wallets are perhaps the most popular, being small, dedicated devices that keep your private keys isolated. Paper wallets involve printing your keys onto paper, which you then store physically. Another option is using an encrypted USB drive to hold your wallet files offline. Each method offers a robust layer of security, but hardware wallets are generally recommended for their user-friendliness and advanced features. Setting up your cold storage wallet involves a few critical steps to ensure maximum security. First, always buy your hardware wallet directly from the official manufacturer to avoid tampering. When generating your private keys, ensure your device is completely offline. Most importantly, write down your 24-word recovery seed phrase and store it in at least 2 separate, secure physical locations. This seed is your only way to recover your funds if your wallet is lost or damaged. To maintain the highest level of security for your cold storage, always follow best practices. Upon receiving a new hardware wallet, verify its authenticity and ensure it hasn't been tampered with. Your recovery seed phrase is paramount. Guard it with extreme care, keeping it secret and safe from physical harm like fire or water. Finally, it is wise to periodically test your recovery process with a very small amount of Bitcoin to ensure you can access your funds if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.